I'm Sean Charlebois, and I'm owner and operator of Red Road Compass Traditional Pemmican. I'm happy and honored to be the small company that's reintroducing traditional pemmican into the Canadian conversation. Oftentimes, when I talk about pemmican, people are uncertain as to what it truly is. I specifically designed this product to increase awareness and to educate people of all ages about this historically significant food. It's the food that built nations. Keep watching for a glimpse into pemmican history and how you can introduce pemmican into your kitchen or classroom. Here I am in my dad's kitchen, and I wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you how easy it is to use our product. Traditional Pemmican came up with two products. The first one is the educational package, which consists of 3 individual units that have everything you need to make traditional pemmican. We have high quality beef that was maple smoked. We have dehydrated blueberries that have no sugar or any preservatives and no apple juice wash. And then we have high quality beef tallow that when used renders down to a really nice flavor. What you do first of all is grab a pair of scissors, open the packet, take out your container of blueberries and set that aside, take out your container of smoked meat, put that to the side, grab your container of tallow, pop off the lid, go to your microwave, and set the timer for 1 minute. That 1 minute will allow it to melt down to its liquid form. We'll then take it from the microwave and I'll show you how you mix it with the other ingredients. Please keep in mind that when it comes out of your microwave, it's going to be really hot. So when you grab it with your fingers, it's okay, but make sure that you're careful because it is going to be pretty warm. So what you need to make the education package pemmican is a bowl, and a spoon, and the 3 units. This is the rendered down tallow that you heated in the microwave. Please remember that it's still hot. You have your container of dehydrated smoked meat, your container of dehydrated unsweetened blueberries. Pour your blueberries into the bowl, pour the meat into the bowl, mix the 2 dry ingredients together, carefully pour in the suet, trying to get everything as wet as you can. And mix. What you're trying to do is you're trying to mix the suet into all the dry ingredients. The more you mix, you'll start to see the product turning darker, form it into a shape, and let that sit for about 5 minutes until that tallow sets, and then you have a mixed, completed pemmican patty that you can eat or serve to your class. With your order of traditional pemmican education package, you not only get traditional pemmican, you also get access to our educational resource section on traditionalpemmican.com, our webpage. When you purchase the product, we send you a code which gives you access to numerous resources regarding Indigenous education and knowledge, as well as historic photos, videos, and information pertaining to the fur trade and pemmican. Once again, that's traditionalpemmican.com. Here's the second product that comes from Traditional Pemmican. Our pre-mixed, pre-made pemmican patty. Cut open the bag, pull out the product, and there you have it. 84 grams of traditional pemmican, consisting of high quality maple smoked meat, dehydrated blueberries with no sugar, high quality tallow. Shelf stable, does not spoil. Throw it in your backpack or in your fishing boat and take it out onto the world. To learn more about traditional pemmican or to order either of these products, please go to our webpage, traditionalpemmican.com.